Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for exams short, step by step. First, let's get organized. Start by creating a realistic study schedule, dedicating specific blocks of time to each subject. Break down large topics into smaller, more manageable sections. Gather all your study materials, like notes and textbooks, and clearly identify your learning objectives. This structured approach will save you valuable time and reduce stress significantly. Next, engage actively with your study material. Don't just passively read. Instead, practice active recall by quizzing yourself on key information. Try summarizing concepts in your own words or creating flashcards for quick review. A powerful technique is to teach the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This process helps solidify your understanding and highlights areas needing more attention. Now it's time to practice. Work through past exam papers under timed conditions to get a feel for the actual test environment. This helps you manage your time effectively and reduces anxiety. Don't just do the questions. Thoroughly review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand your errors. Focus on understanding the underlying concepts, not just memorizing facts, for long-term retention. Finally, prepare for exam day itself. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep the night before. Rest is crucial for cognitive function. Eat a nutritious, balanced meal and stay well hydrated to maintain your focus throughout the exam. Arrive at the venue early with all your required materials. Take a few deep breaths to calm any last-minute nerves and approach the test with confidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.